Hello friends, today I'm making a classic Punjabi winter dish, Sarson Ka Saag. Creamy, flavorful and goes perfect with makki ki roti. First, wash and chop all greens. I use sarson, palak and meethi leaves, but you can also use Bathua or radish leaves as well. Add all greens into an instant pot. Add chopped onion, chopped ginger garlic and green chilies. Also add chopped tomatoes, turnip, red chili powder, salt, Kashmiri chili powder, and water. Cook on high pressure for 5 minutes and then let the pressure release naturally. You can also pressure cook for 5-6 whistles in a traditional stovetop pressure cooker on high heat until everything is soft and done. Open the Instant Pot and use the hand blender to puree the saag. If you don't have the hand blender, wait for it to cool down and use the regular blender to puree it. I like it to be a coarse paste, but if you prefer super fine texture, use high speed on your blender. Add 2 tablespoons of makki ka atta to saag and mix. This helps in thickening the saag. Set the Instant Pot mode to slow cook for about 20 minutes. It will thicken as it simmers. For tempering or tadka, heat small pan on a medium heat and add 3.5 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add chopped garlic, saute for a minute. Then add chopped onion. Cook until the onion and garlic turns light brown. Then add dried red chilies. Add coriander powder and garam masala. Cook until the onion and garlic turns light brown. And then pour the tadka over the saag. Serve your homemade saag with makki ki roti and enjoy.